Climb Credit Loan's Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, I'm providing an honest review of Climb Credit Loans, a financial product designed for individuals looking to finance their education, training, or personal development. Climb Credit stands out by offering loans specifically tailored for vocational and skills-based programs, making it an excellent choice for students and professionals seeking to invest in their future without the burden of traditional student debt. One of the standout features of Climb Credit is its flexible repayment options, which allows borrowers to choose terms that best fit their financial situation, including deferred payments until after graduation. This flexibility is crucial for many students who may not have an income while pursuing their studies. Additionally, Climb Credit emphasizes transparency with no hidden fees or prepayment penalties, so borrowers can confidently manage their loans. Another significant advantage of Climb Credit is the application process. It is streamlined and user-friendly, allowing applicants to receive a decision quickly, often within minutes. This efficiency is beneficial for students who need immediate funding to secure their enrollment in programs. Moreover, Climb Credit focuses on creditworthiness rather than solely relying on credit scores, which can help those with limited credit history or lower scores access funding. Their loans also come with competitive interest rates, making them more affordable compared to other financing options in the market. Climb Credit is particularly well-suited for those pursuing non-traditional education paths, such as coding boot camps, trade schools, or other specialized training programs. However, it's important for potential borrowers to carefully consider their repayment capabilities and ensure that the education they are financing aligns with their career goals. While Climb Credit Loans can provide valuable support for educational endeavors, responsible borrowing is essential to avoid financial strain in the future. In conclusion, Climb Credit Loans offer a tailored financing solution for individuals seeking to advance their skills and education. With flexible repayment options, a transparent process, and a quick application, it's a strong contender in the student loan landscape. Just be sure to assess your financial situation before proceeding. If you're looking for a loan that understands your educational needs, Climb Credit might be worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you make an informed decision.